Now this is a second, more advanced video of how to take our exported input-output variables from the EasyLine transfer machine or any of the machines and create our own code, then compile it and connect it to the virtual PLC, or we can edit an existing code. But we're going to go up to File, and now we're going to select New Project. Select Machine Simulator Program, which is the middle of three choices, then hit Accept. Do we want to import the machine simulator variables from File? Yes. So we'll select that. We now have the opportunity to select from our file. So we're going to select from NIRTEC, and then we're going to select Easy Transfer Line and hit Open. Then it shows us that those variables have imported successfully. But what that means is now all of those input-output variables are loaded in for us to select from as we write our code. So we're going to go to Software, then Program, then Main. When we click Main, we see that no code appears, so we have to right-click our mouse and add a sequence. When we add a sequence, we now have the opportunity to rename that. We're just going to leave that main sequence, but we can write in any one of these 5 languages: script, function blocks, Grafcet, or instruction list. We're going to choose latter and hit Accept. Now that we have that, we see that we have a blank slate. So now we can begin to write our own code. So we select here in the upper left-hand corner. And when we do this, now we can see that the variables that were in EasyLine Transfer are now available to us. So if I want the Start button, I can select that. If I want the Stop button, I will select that. And for the third, I will select the Emergency On, and then I will extend the line out. And then I will select my Conveyor Reverse. And once I have my code completed the way I would like it, then I can save it. So I'll hit Save, and now I want to name that. So I'm going to name that My Easy Code and save. And now I'm going to compile that project, compile and send. And you can see that I get confirmation messages for each. So now it's uploading the PLC program. I accept that, and then I get to launch the virtual PLC. There it is. And now I want to connect to the virtual PLC, so I'm going to select this icon again. And now I can see that my PLC is in stop mode. Remember, to monitor my connection, I could set it into run mode or stop mode. So I'm going to leave it in stop mode. I'm going to go back down here and highlight my code, and then minimize this, relaunch Machine Simulator zSpace, and load my code.